made a friend today. Thank you. Kasi tapon.
Go trip over alone.
May stain. So I'm looking for coconut. Hey everybody! So, in this video, sasama ko kayo sa buong linggo ko and today is Monday, October 20. Ang una natin ginawa ay umattend sa DICE event. Guys, I made a friend today. Hello guys! Her name is Ella. Kami ang body ngayong event. Dahil kaming mga introverts. Where's the camera? It's just the same ba? Yeah, the same. Different color.
Oh my God, later kita.
Really? Ay, wait! Kaya ano? Oh my God!
Finally.
Kakapasa ko lang po ng BYS ko. What can you say about today's event? It's fun. Plastic. Sabi niya kanina, boring. Okay, thank you. Totoo, tignan mo. Hindi yun, Elsie ka ba? Hindi naman, oh, ikaw. Go. Diba? Sino ba ako para mag-judge? Di pa ako nakapunta ng Dubai. At now, let's try it all together. Next. Yan, nawala na yung tamis. Nawala na rin yung lasa. Totoo. Oh, parang nasad ka na nawala na yung lasa niya. It's how much? Almost 400. 416! Ay, kasi may ano pa, service charge. Great. Alam nyo, paulit-ulit akong nadi-disappoint dito. Paulit-ulit akong bumabalik. Hindi ko alam bakit. Parang po ang aming last adventure for today. Ito po yung first meetup namin, pero ang dami na namin pinagdaanan together. Parang matagal na po kami magkakilala. Fake news ako. Hindi ganyan yun. Diba? Nakita mo yung kanina? Oo. Sabi ko guys, 180. Bagating namin, 1,800. You know.
Meron. Try mo para iba naman.
Okay guys.
Binibili.
Recommended by Kuya. Say hi Kuya! Okay, magbayad na tayo. Guys, mag-goodbye na kayo sa ating friend Ella.
1 minute. Goodbye guys. See you on our next vlog.
Yes! Ayun ang event. It was boring talaga. But I still had fun and I'm grateful. Fun kasi I made a friend, si Ella, and we were fun together. And of course, grateful dahil opportunity to, diba? At saka hindi lahat na i-invite. So, at kabilang ako sa na-invite. So, grateful talaga. This is my go-to aesthetic clinic, Livion Aesthetics. And go check them out. Dito lang yan sa may Park and Shop, Parañaque. Then now, we're gonna go to Makati to get my nails done and maybe get a haircut at saka yung dental appointment ko. That's sponsored. So, maraming thanks po. Nakatipid na naman. Even here, wala akong binayaran. Thank you po. Thank you. So, it's currently 12:14. 2 o'clock pa yung dental appointment ko. So, inuna ko na. So, may gel removal.
Remove natin.
Opo.
Naka-gel pa na siya. Naputol na
Opo.
siya.
Okay.
Kaya kayo na pagkakamala na parang burikat. Kaya tignan nyo ang itsura ninyo.
Di na ako naka-video sa loob ng dental kasi that's for TikTok. But yeah. I'm gonna go to Mowai Cafe kasi meron akong check doon. Pero bawal naman ako magkape kasi kakawaitan lang ng teeth ko. Di ba kayo natatakot? So, dito na ako sa Greenbelt. Maghahanap ng coconut water and kasi kuya ako gusto talaga sa Mowai kasi I wanna check the journals that they're selling kasi alam ko meron silang leather journals too. Ay, hindi ko alam kung meron dito eh. Alam ko may Muji but like, alam ko lang hindi ko trip yung journals too. Hey guys, so ending, sa Muji din ako titingin. Tinatamad na ako punta sa Mowai. Tsaka parang hindi ko pa deserve ng Grotto journal because, I don't know, hindi pa ako satisfied sa journaling game ko. So, parang hindi ko pa deserve ng ganong klaseng journal. Maybe next year. Pero kailangan ko na kasi ng bagong journal. That's so bad. Parang mas vibe ko to. Diba? Okay. Hawakan ko na to. Baba. Nakaupo na ako. Gosh, I'm so pagod. Nandito ako sa Starbucks. At ang binili ko lang naman ay dalawang ganito, coconut water, and dalawang water. Because I'm so thirsty. Wait lang, inom na ako. Super thirsty na ako. Ah, sarap. Isa lang pala kailangan ko. Bumili pa ako dalawa. This is 55 pesos. Ah, okay lang gumastos sa ganito. Mayroon naman pala tayong natulungan. Not so bad. 5. I might go home 7. For now, I'm just gonna sit here and observe people. Diba? Sayang naman yung binayad ko sa mga pinagbibili ko na inumin na sa carton, diba? If hindi mo na ako tatambay saglit sa kanilang establishment. Anyways, I love everything about today. It was a pretty chill, bumper day. Hindi ako na-stress. Thank you, Lord. Kaso, feeling ko, papagalitan ako ng mom ko pagka-uwi ko kasi, gosh, bumili ako ng ground beef nung isang araw, tapos dapat lulutuin ko siya for dinner. Eh, kaso din na kami nag-dinner, so hindi ko na siya naluto. Pero nasa ref lang siya, hindi ko nalagay sa freezer, so nasira siya. Patay ako sa mama ko.
And so what is that efficient? The plagiarism in software development can happen when...
Hey guys, so I'm going to school na. Hindi ko na kayo sasama kasi ang bigat ng bag ko, okay, para magdala pa ng camera. Next time na lang yung school vlog. Bye-bye guys. I'll see you later maybe or tomorrow. Hey guys, hope you can hear me. I'm already here and I don't know anyone. I have no one to talk to. I'm alone sa table and that's okay. I'm happy that I'm here. I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy that I'm here. Here? Alright, there. Yeah. Saw that, guys. I'm home. Actually, kanina pa. Pero syempre, nakipagkwentuhan muna ako sa mom ko. And guys, I'm just so happy. I made friends naman din. Si Tisha, si Christy, si Adrian, and yung isa pa. Nakalimutan ko yung shock, sorry. Basta 4 sila. Actually, yung mga naging friends ko, hindi sila creators. They're like, sila yung part nung nag-organize nung event. Ayan. Sila din yung nag-i-invite, ganyan-ganyan. And I'm really glad they talked to me kasi wala talaga ako naging friends na. Siguro yung problema ko na yun. Kasi sa elevator pa lang, may kumausap na sa akin. Tapos sabi niya, you're also going sa event. Sabi ko, yeah. Yun lang, hindi ko siya kinausap. Kasalanan ko yun. Na-realize ko yun nung nasa car ako. Like, Sorry. I should have said more, asked something, ganun. But yeah. Ito. Siyempre open lang kasi pinaamoy ko sa mom ko. Ayan. Ito yung inaamoy ko kanina, guys. And I have one! 90 ml. Hindi 50, hindi 30, 90 ml. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, universe, and thank you, Lord. Yan. Papakita ko ulit sa inyo. Ay! Oh my gosh, I got this for free. Anak! The abnormalities were revealed.
Abnormal talaga yung mata ko eh.
I'm gonna eat muna while watching Modern Family, but I promise to just finish one episode because I need to accomplish a lot of things, so I need some discipline. Alright, let's eat. Signature.
In 2 weeks, may drum white chocolate with caramel and wild strawberry. That's my personal favorite. How is it?
I like the strawberry the most. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi. See you po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Good morning, guys. It's 5:37 in the morning and I'm about to get ready for church. It's Sunday. Last day of this vlog. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon. I'll catch you up, guys, later. I'm still so inaantok. Hey, guys. So, it's 9 o'clock in the evening. Nandito na si Pops and all. Ayan, nakapag-settle na. Nag-dinner na rin kami. At actually, meron pa akong dapat gawin. Meron pa akong 4 TikTok videos na kailangan i-film na deadline na nila. Actually, overdue na. Kahapon yung deadline nila. But guys, I am so done. I just wanna sleep. Like, kahapon pa ako pagod. Kahapon pa ako done for today. Kasi, ewan ko, ang dami talaga nangyari kahapon. Hindi na nga ako nakapag-vlog. So, sobrang dami nangyari. Kasi, may nahilo guys sa daan. I didn't know what to do. Tas ayun, wala siyang relative dito. Dinala namin siya sa OSPAR, Hospital ng Parañaque. It's a public hospital and I was left alone there with him. Yun, tapos sinutid lang talaga. Tapos ako nabahala nung pagkarating doon. Inasikaso naman siya doon and all. Tapos in-advisean siya na magpa-ECG, magpa-X-ray, magpa-lab test, ano pa ba, binigyan din siya ng reseta, ganon. And, hindi ko kaya i-shoulder yon financially. So, we needed to, like, but yeah. Good night, everybody. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!